don't fall in the trap. Don't fall in the trap of gadgets. When it comes to preparedness, there are millions and millions of gadgets out there. Trust me, some of them are great. Don't get me wrong. I'm not against gadgets because of their gadgets or gear or whatever you want to have. I like gear. I like stuff. It helps me. But they are things that help you feel good a lot of times when you buy a gadget if you don't know, and versus having a skill. If you have a skill, that actually keeps you safe. So just don't go crazy when you start preparedness. Don't go out there and go all the gadgets. There's some that are good, there's some that are bad. There's some guys out there that sell the gadgets well, and they think that you're going to save everything with just having this one whiz bang doodad thingy, whatever. There is no such thing. There are things that help you, but remember, throwing money at the problem to feel good is not really solving the problem. It's just creating another problem. And having the gear is good, but having the knowledge of how to use the gear well allows you to do more with that gear and allows you to do better and go farther with even less. So I hope that helps you guys, and I want you to be safe out there.